There are a lot of features on this particular website. I'm just going to give you a walkthrough of a few of them. The first one is a credit card to Tally. So if you receive a credit card statement PDF and you want to import that into a Tally format, for that you can browse and first import the credit card statement. So for example, I've got credit card. For example, I have got a credit card statement. Now I'm going to just import this, and then the PDF will be analyzed, and the way the statement is in the PDF, it will get converted into the journal entries. And this is something which can be downloadable in Tally, or if you have another cloud accounting software like Zoho, QuickBooks, Xero, you can download for those too. So this is the first one where you can import the credit card PDF statement and convert those. Then the next one is in case you get a GST invoice and you want to import that into Tally in the Excel format, you can first get that particular one in the software. So you're going to import that GST invoice that you have received. Then you will extract. So it is going to extract the information from the PDF itself. It will do a quality check where it will cross check whether the math with respect to tax calculation, everything is correct or not. Also, it will check whether the GSTN number is active or not. And then it is going to tell you what is the problem. So over here, it has done like from that PDF, it has extracted and it has found out there's a difference of 850 rupees difference between the tax which has been collected, which is shown in the PDF. And this is something you can download also. Then in case you get a GST notice, then you can browse that particular file. And while responding to this particular notice, you can specify the category which have been mentioned in this particular notice. Take for example, there are two categories, and then you can specify what is the defense category while trying to reply. So you can select few of those, and then it is going to draft a reply for you. So based on the notice that you uploaded, it has drafted a reply for you. You can review this reply. Also, there is an annexure section where it is telling about what kind of annexure you have to include. This all data has been extracted from the notice that you uploaded. Under what law all those things have been applied. Then there's a QC report also, which says that whether the DIN number is found, the sections are valid or not. In case you submit this reply, which is in the draft, then how a GST officer may make an hostile or may ask you something extra so that you're prepared for it. And then in case you want to translate, in case you get it in local language, you can translate it to English also. Similarly, there are other tools also over here.